Chiamodi running country. Because when you do this, nobody even, no sensible old man. If you wake up and say, no, why did you ask him that question? He did something for Ghana. Because the day you go play what way score, last time everybody up here. Then you got the day you wait for talk about it. The day you heard that, you know, you and your girlfriend. So,
I have a problem with Shatta. You see, he might have a point, but in communication, you will be a friend of complete word communication. It means there should be a sender of the message, there should be a medium I will send the message to, there should be what we call a recipient. Then it should end with a feedback.
When we talk, then somebody say, it's me. That's what you say. Oh, but despite the company being you know, I said it's for somebody in business. So just like if you get there where somebody talking, need food, then they put cocaine for inside, then they put this for inside, you go happy. You go happy. That's why you go happy. They talk say you need food.
It is some no kind. You see, the substance of assembly, and I can one know. But some you are the farm me batch and you want you yeah. Bagana, Obia one left up the image of the media space. You rather despite. There is nobody in Ghana who between in the water trouble. While lifting up the space, it is sad if only they can, baby, or feed by a grand baby, or where do you know? One in the packet to one. About Xposed GH, a higher entertainment corner. Baba, no wakwaba. You name say last week there are about some of the biggest artists in Ghana, Medical, Shatta, Wale, and the rest. Normal call O2 Arena. Obiaka said they never granny O2. O2 your place and Nigeria for no oma failure and then she is a Ghana for as well failing. Now medical yeah nyama bebre or can nyama bebre na eja he had a great show. Now owie no na Miss G e wo UTV platform ebisa nsem Nemo nsem na no bisa no me pese ye nyina ye kwane ekoti nsem na ye ba na ye bobo ye ntie nsem ne bra.
So last week no right on this show fella baye na ye bisa no about who show no she wish you well. Me sure so nim say resonance so be premiere this week Saturday ya. Me pese me who say what do you have to say to fella concerning the movie premiere no ebeba so this Saturday.
Oh, questions now will be coming up. Oh, sounded to say marriage counselor. What did they make and I say? And that's not how it's supposed to go. Because you called to ask me about the show. The show went well. It went great. I wish everybody well. You understand what I'm saying? I know how it works for things to come on the headline and that. But we had a great show. Mama Meninje say I have a great show. Today BBC World posted me. They posted Ghana. That's what I want us to talk about. Let's not talk about things that will make the headlines because we are already making the headlines. You are making money. I'm making money. You are happy wherever you are. I'm also happy. Let's focus on that and celebrate greatness. And when you have to and like to say somebody and somebody get problem. I'm not sure say your first boyfriend you have a relationship with, no. I don't know how that's in the world. It happens. You understand me? So please, let's celebrate the success and the greatness, and let's move forward. There's no need for medical and fella. We don't set any record. We don't be the first people where we break up. It happened. Your first boyfriend, you date with different person. You understand me? So please celebrate that and be happy. Once and for all. Moku move forward. You get what I'm saying?
I get you.
Thank you very much.
I get you, pa.
What is na Miss G bisano? No bisano very simple question. Say, fella ba show is no buy no. You bisano no say, we wish you or wishing you well in the future endeavors. And baby who say na Miss G all problem with where medical any sister Debbie, sister Debbie, the former girlfriend of medical. On my stage now, sabi on love moves no. And na people feel say disrespectful to what fella McCaffrey because war your friend said back. But responding to all the critics, no medical can say me also massa. My question show BBC could have friend me. obia frame ya chale obia say ma se ho ba bia enti bisa me show no na obisa na se bi na eno na me producer I ka say that ade say dia waya de bisa obisa Miss G say me patcho since ya wire nipa na won ne die no ono na ne wo ana ana say o first boyfriend ono na wire na say nipa foforo na show na mkwe no na mpesa we concentrate because I'm making money you also making money enti ade na we buy na fela after all our area jai ye nyina nim say we aso bi jai agrada akra ni kunu jai kofo bebre jai e be president for kra jai obi jai ye normal na then na focus on arena na me ko fill it up now for the first time na Ghana ni bi ntimi here we had a great show BBC ekra ka once man na won kasa na your friends Miss J so kasa eno de ni nyina san komo ni nyina ona me de ne me bisa efela because oba no se da be bisa finance pacho kan asem no show ni ekwa na se wo kan wasem na asem ni go back and forth no on your hanging up na ye wie no na Shatta Wale pacho mu Shatta wo fa camera si nani no se ne je na ne abai uya me say nsem o kan me ntimi nka unprintable words me count no put your target despite any misging na na boom na say aso kai say Shatta Wale yes previously or former president John Mahama ko hu no play mu a wo kokoto pa de chawo no enkofo kra say chawo pa ne de ne ofa ne kwa we ya no akoto no pa o chawo enti wa hwe a we ko hu despite o obekoto no pa ne chawo yen ko tie nsem a Shatta kan ye ba de bobo ho
God the boy answer say in relationship matter. If you relationship matter, we take a perform for you. Wait, Papa, what's ya? That Baba, see, you see me. If anybody try not to, you don't see them a mortar. What's ya? More than I'm for me, Jimmy, Jimmy, Sam, I didn't affect you to know. Me, Jimmy. Nobody for people, Ghana, make nobody put fear for anybody inside you. Want to be truth to be truth. Yeah, do something. Even if we make nobody try me, we go die with them. Wait, see, but what was it? The money in your son, you be a young child with the running country, no. Young child with the running country, no. Because when you do this, nobody even, no sensible old man. If you wake up and say, no, why do you ask him that question? He did something for Ghana. Because the day you go play ball, way score, blaster, everybody happy. Then you call the day you wait, if you talk about the go, the day you heard that, you know, you and your girlfriend, so, when we talk, then somebody say, me couldn't talk. It's me. Then somebody can say, Chaliba, despite the company being owned. Hey! You know, I said it's for somebody in business. So that's why if you get there where somebody talk to need fufu, then they put cocaine for inside, then they put this for inside, he go happy. He go happy, that's why he go happy. If they talk say you need fufu, in this thing, in product oil they put cocaine, they do this, he go happy. He just you know the year say people they talk say you need fufu, they take do this, you know the year. He go happy. Like I take Ghana make somebody like big man, then something like no they won't rise. My Bob has to me see a who like go shed blood. Cause yeah. What Jimmy too much? Obi business them to me say no. Obi business them person will say no. Somebody in business. Somebody come hustle himself. You do show. No sense things you put the answer. Say all the artists who pay them a ticket for Kwasia. You will chop your mother. You will chop your mother. Make it. I say make people do mistake. For that country, Ghana there. Make people do some small mistake. You go say a craze. Because the sense of how they talk. You put yourself, no, but why do you talk like that? You want your mother. You want to spoil my food. Why you want me to talk? Somebody can do show. Successful show. Interview about the show. You talk about the person relationship. If you're fool, that you go talk like that. Some Jimmy, I work as a and that's why you see Shatta movement there. Sometimes they like the way people they understand what they talk. Because it's very painful.
When they fire for fire. What is the man Shatta kind? A be or no share. But none of the no, I have a problem with Shatta. You see, he might have a point, but in communication, you will be a friend. Complete what communication? It means there should be a sender of the message. There should be a medium I will send the message to. There should be what we call a recipient. Then it should end with a feedback. Which means se me ka asem no na medium na me fam no me the recipient no na recipient no wan temase na wan ma me feedback here means that the communication is not complete. Ade ba kwa me say high ye nua Shatta the communication skills. Sometimes he's too raw. They be am say ye so no na nsem bi wo ha ye kana tra. Ba ye nyiya ye ba mu ne hu say da bi nsem bi wo ka ebi wo kwa say kata ho ntuma kakra na ye fe kakra. Wontimi mba na mbie wano na won kan nsem bi asa o ye sa. Obebeka say bra yi aka kakra o. It is some no kind you see the substance of assembly na kan one no. But nsem bi o de fa o me pa cho ene wanye ni ye bagana obi a one left up the image of the media space. Ye rather despite. There is nobody in Ghana who between in the water tunnel. One left up the space. It is sad if an only can baby or feedback grand baby or what do know one any packet wa. Miss G, almost munim ye made a minimum way from Adum TV. One any packet wa. Assembly no waka take assembly ye. Na can some so it be a Miss G. Ebianka can say ya. Enanke ye my kasa won't say. Near some Shatta kind idea. Me pacho in colony one can say ye. Attempt the deal na no day. Utia wuntie. Na Miss Jean so me dey na me for say we a big girl. We a very good communicator. Enti adentin na beginning of the show no. When bisa medical about the show no. You see, who bisa about the show na nka ni gi do baby a. Na nka wo de fella de na bem. Na we go straight to fella sadia. Emfa enti Miss G meaning say you are very good journalist. Next time no bisa show no yeah the highlight of the show. Na mani pana ninje ansana wako bisa ni abisa no. Na ni aka nyina de metoma wo fie. Osu bobo hu. Aso medical ka say ya na. Miss Jesu obisa asem ni ye. Na ye Shatta nso waka say ya na ni nyina wo ho. Aha entertainment corner. Ye dane no ye samba bi ma ye be sanda to so Xposed GH #1 Manuel.